Don't ask why I always do like the little mime boxes, but anyway. If you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. I've already primed my eyelids, and I'm going to be using the shade Aya to set the eyelids. To start off in the crease, I'm using the shade Tamarind, and with a light fluffy brush, I'm just putting that in the crease first to start us off. Then to build that up, I'm going with a denser brush, and I'm fluffing that in the outer corner as well as the crease, just really lightly, and this is in the shade Desert Date. I go back in with Tamarind a couple times and just keep blending back and forth, and I usually hit that top crease area and just keep blending every little shade back with this one shade. All over that lid space, I'm going to be taking the shade Stone, which is this really pretty like gray blue, and I'm going to be just packing that all over the lid, and then we'll touch that up again later. Then with another dense brush, I'm using the shade Savannah, and I sped it up here, but I just kind of take my time, and I'm actually going in patting motions, and that's what's really blending it in the outer corner without taking away from the pigment, which is a trick that Natasha Denona actually uses in her tutorials. And now to deepen up that same exact area, we're doing the exact same step with Rhino. I'm just packing that in as I need it, and I go back in a little bit later after I blend the crease and do the exact same color as much as I want to deepen it. Now to blend everything out one more time, I'm going in with Tamarind, and I just lightly go over that. That's really easy to make this color look really super dark, so go in with a light hand. Here I am intensifying that Stone shade, and then I'll go back in with Rhino and Savannah once more after I've done this step, and it just intensifies everything and still keeps it blended. Now I'm going to be repeating and using the shade Tamarind and Desert Date, but then I'm going to be adding in this orange shade really close to my lash line that you'll see here in a minute. Then with the same Alamar brush, I'm picking up Rhino and just running that along the lash line. And now I'm using the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Pen, or Gel Eyeliner. I know it's something eyeliner, I think, but it's in the shade Cocoa. Hey y'all, this is the finished look. My voice is still kind of gone, so I'm going to make this pretty brief here. As you can probably tell through the little voiceover, my voice is like going in and out. So this is one of my favorite looks to do with this palette. The shade Stone is probably one of the most unique shades that I've probably ever used, especially when it's a matte. It's just really like this really pretty, like cool tone, like bluey, almost green in a way, but then it's still kind of like gray. It's still really pretty. But this is a look that I will do with this. The rest of my face products I'll link down, not link, but like I'll tell you what I'm using on the rest of my face. I just wanted to make this video a little bit shorter than what I normally do, because you know I like my like 30-minute videos. But I just wanted to go ahead and put this up. This is a pretty full glam. I was going to add lashes, but then the more I thought about it, the more I was like, I'm too lazy for that. So I'm not going to. But you can definitely add lashes if you want to. But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. If y'all like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to see you stick around, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.